Hello students, we are going to study projectile motion. You know that any object in a flight after being thrown with some velocity is called projectile, and its motion we are knowing it is projectile motion. We often see the projectile motion in our day-to-day life. You know that the children thrown stones towards tree for getting mangoes, a bowler bowls ball towards batsman in a cricket, a basketball player throws a ball towards the basket. These all are examples related to the projectile motion. So in this motion we have object, it is also known as projectile. It is having a initial velocity and it is moving under the influence of Earth's gravitational field. But you have to know, for the projectile motion there are two components. One is a horizontal component, means along x-axis, and one is a vertical component along y-axis. So here we have to see equation of path of projectile. Equation of path of projectile. For this we have to consider figure, try to understand figure. Here we have taken the vertical and horizontal component. Vertical component is along y-axis and horizontal component is along x-axis. So your path is like that. The initial velocity is u. So u we have taken it is ux and uy, where ux is nothing but we are considering u cos theta and uy is u sin theta. So it is angle theta we are considering. So here horizontal component, it is u cos theta, that I will write ux is equals to u cos theta and uy is equals to u sin theta. So this is your horizontal component and this is your vertical component. Here we have to consider acceleration ax and ay. So ax is here 0 according to the law of motion. The ax is being here 0 and ay it is minus g, because the acceleration due to gravity it is here in downward direction. So we have considered ax is 0, ay is minus g. Now we have to find out the equation of path of projectile. For that we are considering the second kinematical equation, that is s is equals to ut plus half at square. So we are putting s is equals to x because we want the equation for a x. So s is equals to x, u we are putting ux and a we are putting ax. So x is equals to uxt plus half, instead of ax t square. So you know that the value of ux, what we have taken, u cos theta, it is a horizontal component, and that we can write u cos theta, this t is as it is, plus half, ax is what here, 0. So we will put here 0. So this total term it is becoming 0. What we have got, x is equals to u cos theta into t. So this equation we have got for a x. So we can write this equation for a t also. So t is equals to, what it will be, x upon u cos theta. So we have got here t. Now here we have found the equation in terms of x. Same like that we have to find the equation in terms of y, because we have seen here there are two components, one is a horizontal and another is vertical. So I will take again the second kinematical equation, s is equals to ut plus half at square. So instead of s now you have to put y, instead of u you have to put uy, and instead of a we are putting ay. Okay, so y is equals to u, we will take uy into t plus half, instead of ay, and this is t square. Now uy, you know that already we have taken it is u sin theta. So put it, y is equals to u sin theta into t plus half, ay is what, minus g, we are putting ay is minus g, t square as it is. Now you know that we have already found the value of t. What is this? T is equals to x upon u cos theta. Put it here, the value of t. So y is equals to what it is? U sin theta into x upon u cos theta. Minus sign is here. Half g. T square is here. So what we will do? Square of this x upon u cos theta bracket square I will write here. Okay, so we have got this. You will observe here u is getting cancelled, and sin theta upon cos theta, it is tan theta. So y is equals to what we will get? Tan theta x minus half, what is this? G x square. Do the square of this, x square u square cos square theta. Okay, so we can write this equation like that also. Y is equals to alpha, where tan theta we have considered alpha, and plus beta x square, and this is the equation of parabola. The path followed by projectile is what here? Parabola, where the alpha is what? Alpha is tan theta, and beta is what? You can write, it is minus g upon 2 u square cos square theta. So this equation we have got here, it is known as equation of path of projectile. And next time we will learn the time of flight. Thank you.